Want studio quality voice recording right on your Android in 2026? Today, I'm showing you the 3 best voice recorder apps for Android that deliver high quality audio, smart features, and super easy recording, perfect for students, creators, and professionals. At number 3, we've got the voice recorder. Voice Memos app, rated an impressive 4.7 stars with over 10 million installs and 90k plus reviews. This isn't just a basic recorder, it's a full professional audio tool in your pocket. You can record voice memos, meetings, lectures, podcasts, or even music in crystal clear quality. It supports high quality stereo recording, noise reduction, echo cancelling, and even external Bluetooth microphones for pro level sound. One of the coolest features? AI-powered transcription. It turns your speech into text instantly, right on your device. You also get audio trimming and cutting, so you can turn recordings into ringtones or clean clips in seconds. Plus, it offers cloud sync with Google Drive and Dropbox, Wi-Fi transfer to your PC, and smart grouping with tags and bookmarks. Students, creators, journalists, this app makes sure you never lose an important moment again. Number 2, Easy Voice Recorder. One of the most trusted audio recording apps with over 50 million installs and a solid 4.3 star rating from more than 580k reviews. This app is exactly what the name promises: simple, fast, and powerful. You can record anything: lectures, meetings, interviews, personal voice notes, or even music ideas with crystal clear quality. And the best part? There are no time limits, so you can record as long as you want without worrying. For students, it's a total game changer. Record your entire class, replay it anytime, and even adjust playback speed to study smarter before exams. For professionals, it's perfect for meetings and interviews. Just hit record, save everything, and instantly share it with your team. And for creators or musicians, you can quickly capture ideas, switch between presets, and fine-tune recordings to match your sound. It also works in the background, supports widgets for instant recording, and even connects with Wear OS smartwatches. Plus, with pro features like cloud backup, multiple formats, folders, and editing tools, it becomes a full audio studio in your pocket. Finally, number 1, voice recorder app, and it's one of the most trusted recording apps out there. It has a 4.6 star rating with over 1 million reviews and more than 50 million installs worldwide. This app lets you record audio in super high quality, completely free, with 0 time limits. You can easily record meetings, lectures, interviews, personal notes, or even music ideas. It supports formats like MP3 and OGG and gives you full control with pause, resume, stop, and delete options anytime. One of the coolest features? It even records in the background while your screen is off, plus a live audio visualizer so you can see sound levels in real time. Whether you're a student, content creator, or business professional, this app makes sure you never miss an important sound moment. That's it. Pick your favorite and start recording today. Which one would you try first? Comment below.